Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool TS22 Linemans butt set, and this is James's equipment from Illinois. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool Linemans butt set. We have a note with this unit, and we know that nothing is working with this Linemans butt set, so this unit does not work. We have a known secondary battery that is good, and we want to troubleshoot the main PC board. We also want to troubleshoot the primary battery. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Linemans butt set, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this TS22 Linemans butt set, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that these units have a proper polarity light and an improper polarity light. We have the analyzer set up for proper polarity and the regular line set up for improper. So we have a green and red light. And so we'll show you that during the final checkout. We also want to mention that our lights will go out when this unit is in the amplification mode, and that's the way the unit is designed. So now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We have our light indicator for proper polarity. We have 3 settings on our amplification, so we'll go ahead and walk through them. That would be low, medium, and high. And when we turn the amplification off, we get our LED light back. Now what we want to do is dial our numbers out. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in at 2. We want to go ahead and hang up. Turn the unit on. We want to hit the last number redial. The analyzer will end in a 2. Now what we can do is go ahead and transmit. So we'll turn the unit on. We're going to dial a 2. That causes dial tone to go away. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our unit up. Now what we want to do is go ahead and store a number, so we'll turn the unit on. We're going to dial my number. We're going to press store recall 1. We can hang up, turn the unit on, recall 1, and the unit will dial out my number on the analyzer. Since we're going to go ahead and call a time and temp number, we're going to dial that number also. And we're going to store that and recall to. We'll hang up, hit recall to, and the unit is dialing out our time and temp number. Now what we can do is go ahead and switch over with our switch box to the regular line, and that's set up for improper polarity, so our red indicator light will show. We'll hit low on our amplification, recall to.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, November 20th. The current time, 8 p.m. and the temperature, 36 degrees.
We can go ahead and call another number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Recall 1. Our light came back on, so that means our amplification has been turned off, and we can go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool TS22 Linemans butt set has been repaired, James can go ahead and put this unit back into service. These units were really good Linemans telephones, and I use one in the field almost every day. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.